It's getting closer to midnight. I try to get closer to you. Drinking courage from my red cup now. I will soon make a move. Ooh, I can taste it. The bittersweetness of taking a shot. A risk worth taking. If it's a shot of love, baby, I adore you. Maybe I adore you. Yeah,
Welcome back to another video, guys. As you guys see at the beginning, this is the after a good party that we threw Ivan on Saturday. His birthday was on Saturday, and obviously we had a big mess. And believe it or not, but all this mess is just from kids. We didn't had any grown-ups, except my sister did show up to pick up her daughter, but she ended up staying a little bit longer, and we end up with all this mess. We had 3 of his best friends, and also I went and picked up all my nephews, which I only have toddlers and 1 kid, which they are really small, and I just can't believe what a mess we end up with after all that. But he was really happy with all his cousins being over and his friends being over. I know that it is still a little crazy out in the world, and trust me, I am trying to be as cautious as I was able to, but I still wanted his friends to come over, and believe me, I did had all of them being safe in here and washing their hands and all that stuff. They were all safe. But he had really fun, and you guys can see with all this mess. So I did clean all this mess the following day, which it was yesterday. So this cleaning motivation, it's super fresh. I am going to be popping in here music and making sure that you guys have and get all that motivation that you guys need for your coming week. It is Monday, so we have a lot of days going through the week. I hope you guys find this motivation, and I hope that you guys enjoy the music that I did chose for you. Thank you so much for all the love and support, guys. I am really grateful that you are here. If you are new, welcome. I do a lot of cleaning motivation. This is a little bit random because we did had a party Saturday. So obviously I had to clean, and we just had a really fun time. So this is something that I just want to share with you guys. Super motivational, but obviously it is a little bit different since this really doesn't happen every single weekend. I hope you enjoyed this. Oh, don't forget to subscribe if you are not part of the family, and also give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this type of videos. I hope you enjoy the music, and let's continue.
your back facing me. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 We've been in two places all at once. Wish that what we said would come undone. Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving, make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're 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 dancing as one.
Before you, life was so boring. I got up, went to work just to get back home and repeat. Before you, I just felt nothing. I didn't dare to take risks. Now we be staying up all night. We don't have to sleep 'cause we're crazy in love, yeah. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Ooh, you make me wanna shout out the top of my lungs. You make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna love like I'm 20 years young. With you I'm not the same. With you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna With you, I'm not afraid. Small town, big crowd, and there you were in front of me. Small talk, big thoughts, all we wanted was to escape. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Hands up, such a rush. I love having you here with me. To dream big is no sin. The sky has no limit, yeah, we're free. This sounds too small for dreams like this. Don't wanna settle down, don't wanna miss out on adventures, things we haven't seen. Take my hand and follow me. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. We'll never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Baby, we're leaving at midnight. It's time for a change, let's get out of here. Never look back, this is our time. We're leaving at midnight, leaving at midnight. Oh, we're leaving at midnight.
You don't forget your first love. We were young and wild, we were up all night. You don't forget that summer sun 2009. We were feeling high, and I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. It was our time, the time of our lives. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. You were on my mind, my ride or die. Yeah. Don't forget your first kiss. We were so damn high, we could touch the sky. Drunk on love, drunk on your lips. The feeling I will forever miss. And I got drunk for the first time. I thought I was cool. I thought I looked smooth in your eyes and tried to make a move. It was our time, the time
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up if you did, and also subscribe if you haven't. Hope you guys have an amazing start of your week, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
First love, we were young and wild, we were up all night.